Hello, Happy New Year. The period between Christmas and New Year saw some heavy losses for gas and electricity, most noticeably on near-term contracts. As the new year began, contracts continued their downward movement until Thursday. So let's take a look at the New Year trading so far in some more detail. Oil contracts were relatively range-bound between Christmas and New Year, and Tuesday's session edged higher once again. However, by Wednesday, front-month Brent fell over $6 per barrel due to a strengthening dollar and global economic concerns. Thursday's session was relatively flat and Brent closed at $78.6 per barrel, down $5.67 per barrel compared to the 30th of December 2022. Near-term contracts lost around 15% between Christmas and New Year, whilst longer-dated contracts shed around 5%. As the New Year trading commenced, Tuesday was a bearish day and contracts continued to slide. Prices fell as temperatures were above the seasonal norm and wind generation across Europe remained strong. Demand is also reportedly due to be down around 18% below the seasonal norm. Contracts out to the end of summer 23 fell on average 11 pence per therm. Most longer dated contracts fell marginally, although winter 24 was an exception and rose 10 pence per therm. Prices fell further throughout Wednesday, with all contracts losing value. The supply-demand position remains healthy, with at least 17 LNG cargoes due to arrive in the UK by the end of the month. The markets changed direction on Thursday and contracts rose, fuelled by a reduction in wind generation leading to greater reliance on gas-fired generation. Last night, most contracts closed lower than the 30th of December and considerably more than before Christmas. February 23 contract closed at 172.6 pence per therm, down almost 40 pence per therm compared to the 23rd of December. Winter 23 closed at 205 pence per therm, down 30 pence per therm compared to the 23rd of December. The front month contracts lost £23 per megawatt hour between Christmas and New Year, whilst contracts from winter 23 onwards shed around £5 per megawatt hour. Tuesday's session was bearish. February 23 lost £17 per megawatt hour and winter 23 lost £19 per megawatt hour. Losses from April 24 onwards were less noticeable at around £1 per megawatt hour. All contracts continued to soften on Wednesday, taking direction from weaker gas. As gas then moved upwards on Thursday, so did power prices. Last night, contracts out to winter 23 fell on average £23 per megawatt hour compared to the end of the year and £33 per megawatt hour compared to the 23rd of December. You can download the full version of this market report from our website. Thanks for watching and we will see you next week.